to the bottom off of it. And I'm going to find out. I want to see where it leaks. I don't know why. Maybe because I'm bored. But I'm gonna cut it open and see where it leaks. Plus, I like to cut in and breathe in all the asbestos and all the insulation. Just like that. As of right now, I have no cuts. Well, I do have this cut. Superficial. But I imagine when I peel this off, we'll have a gusher. So let's see if it comes apart. Damn spray foam. I'm gonna put on some gloves. Or maybe just one glove. Why would you have two gloves? And this is the hand I need the glove on. Why do I do this to myself? As we look right here, the rest of it's all nice and clean, not stained, except for right here. I'm guessing, obviously, this is where the failure was. Why? Murph, just throw it in the back of the truck. Get scrap metal for it. No, the people want to know. People want the fear of God, knowing that their water heater down in their basement is soon going to spring a leak. It wasn't a big leak, so I don't think I'm going to see the crack or the rotted pinhole where it was coming out. Maybe it was leaking out of there. It wasn't that bad of a leak, but you shouldn't say that because any leak is bad. Because a leak doesn't get any better, it just gets worse and worse. Somewhere in this area it was, because I can feel moisture. But where? I don't know. Would I like to know? I would have liked to see a big gaping rot hole and went ha-ha, you know, but I don't think there's going to be any ha-ha. So maybe I'll scrape the rest of this insulation off so I can bring it to the scrap metal place and get 50 cents. Because hey, 50 cents is 50 cents. And look at this mess I'm making. Oh, wait a minute, I found something interesting. Hold on to your hats. There is something weird here. No, I don't know what it is, but it's not coming out. Alright. I'm just working too hard here for something that isn't gonna amount to anything. Maybe we'll take out the heating element. Maybe you want to see what a heating element looks like in your poor little water heater that's down in your cellar that you don't pay any attention to, sort of like me. And but geez, 18 years, like I said, 17 years, I don't know. A long freaking time. That's not bad. Not bad at all. I came in the garage one morning and I hear this hissing, spraying noise. And I'm like, what the heck is that? There's no water on the floor or anything. But I'm just hearing it. I'm checking my air lines and my air lines are shut off and I just can't figure it out. So I looked underneath the stairs going up to my penthouse suite above the garage, and I see a little bit of water and I went, ha-ha. I went, ha-ha. And I knew my water tank or my water heater finally let go, which, you know, oh well, things don't last forever. But like I said, it would have been cool if I found some kind of gaping hole and that was held together by a little bit of tape, and it would have been riveting entertainment for you guys. But this would look like something that, geez, here's a number. I wonder if 5803, 2003, this was manufactured. So it sat on the shelf for a little bit, and then somebody like myself walked by and said, hey, I like that water heater. I'm gonna buy it. And give it a nice warm home. Treat it nice. I mean, not talk to it like a plant, but you know, whatever. Maybe I'll take out the electrode. Ugh. What the hell? I'm not ready for another beer, so I might as well take out the electrode. Well, somehow I lost my wrench, because that's what you do. You put something down and you spend the whole day looking for it. Let me see if one of my big wrenches fit. Hell no. Aha! Let me see if my metric adjustable wrench is big enough. Oh yeah. Oh, the anticipation. Wasn't even rusted, seized in there. A little bit of corrosion on there, but not bad. Do I really want to cut this open? What if there's a fish in there like a kiva from the Met in skeleton form? That'll be horrifying. Alrighty, I don't know what I'm going to do. Well, I know one thing I'm going to do is finish that. Maybe clean up this mess. Or wait till tomorrow. I don't know. I'm going to have a couple Slim Jims and finish my beer, and then I'll have all the ambition as a snail climbing uphill in molasses. That's funny, laugh. Right now, laugh. Okay. Alrighty. Once again, hold on. I was going to say signing off, but I think I might have found something. See, you should have signed off. I didn't find anything. Good night, people.